Welcome back to another video. Today we have the M12 12-volt lithium brushless cordless installation driver kit. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yes, guys, this is on sale. This is a smoking deal for this. So if you guys have any of these, if you guys want any of these tools, I will be making some more series of this M12 Wednesday deal day. I know it's a little late in the day, but hopefully you guys can still get this. But yeah, back to the point here. And you got the M12 12-volt lithium cordless 4-in-1 installation driver, 3/8 installation driver, 4 tool heads. All right, so this is the kit, guys. This does come with, I believe, 2 batteries. It doesn't say. Show more details. Yeah, it's not gonna. Anyways, it looks like it does come with 2 batteries, or actually 1 battery. It looks 2. Yeah, wait, hold on. Yeah, 2 batteries included. So $229. That's the price. But you know what? You guys are gonna get a free 6 amp hour battery, guys. This is a smoking killer deal. $119 worth of free stuff you're gonna be getting. So what you do is first of all, I'm going to be leaving the link down below in the description section of this video. So you guys would go directly to this page, or I'll see if I can leave it in the comments too, so you guys would see it. So it says this item may not be available to pick up tomorrow. Of course, they're probably selling out like crazy. So add both to cart. All right, viewing cart. Yeah, it's not, well. All right, viewing cart. All right, guys, so you're gonna get the battery, the 6 amp hour battery, for $78.31. That's a killer smoking deal there for that one. But check this out. This is the best price on this kit. $150 from $229. It's gonna go down to $150, 69 cents. So you're gonna end up paying $229 for both of these, which is a killer deal. Big shout out to Stan the Man. He did help us out with all these deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next